So another value that we have in our culture here at Coastline is compassion. And I think it's really the bedrock of the foundation that we have set up here, because in this industry, if you don't care about the clients or about your staff, there's really no point to be here and to be doing the stuff that we do. And you really got to understand, and I think it's easy for a lot of us because, you know, we have come from addiction. I myself have come from addiction. I've relapsed several times. I've been to several detoxes and treatment centers, and so I know what that struggle feels like. And so when we get somebody in who has a similar experience or is just coming from, you know, the struggle of addiction, you know, compassion is key. Like, we have to understand like where they're coming from, and we have to care, because if they come in, I mean, you can sense it. Like, if they come in and they know, or they can feel that we don't really care and we just kind of want to put them in a bed and, you know, hope that they succeed, like, they're going to feel that, and they're going to withdraw. And so by showing them that we care and really acting like that, and taking the extra time, like, you know, if I'm walking to grab a cup of coffee or something, I'll take a minute and I'll sit down with someone who just got here and introduce myself and, you know, kind of talk to them a little bit and see where they're at. And, you know, like I said, I think it's just very important, and it's something that is innegotiable to have.